Alright, what's going on, everybody? This is just some random video idea I had. Just something to keep my channel alive, especially since other people are having problems with this. So, here's the thing. I'm trying to do this ergonomics project of a chair here, and some people have trouble, inserting an image. So this is how to easily do it. So for here, you just look up the image you want. In this case, it's an office chair. If you want it inverted, resize pixels, a good site for that. So you either want to search tools, but it's right over here. Insert image. No images available currently. You just did this import thing right here. This is what we want. You can use a PNG converter, but it just really just doesn't matter. So what you want to do now is you want to draw an image rectangle. So I'd say, yeah, that's about right. And so yeah, this is basically how you do it. Alright, well, that's just a random video to keep my channel alive. Hopefully this helped. Bye.